If you are running a business or tracking personal finances, the chart of accounts is your roadmap for organizing every single transaction. Think of it as a master list of all the financial buckets where your money lives, comes from, or goes to. Every transaction you make will eventually fall into one of these 5 primary categories to help you see the big picture. By sorting items this way, you can easily pull reports to see if your business is actually making a profit. The chart is your filing system, while the ledger is the actual record of every transaction that fills those folders. A well-organized chart of accounts lets you clearly visualize where your money is going, making it easier to manage your budget. Keep your categories consistent, and you will find that tax season and financial planning become much less stressful. Thanks for watching. Understanding your accounts is the first step toward better financial clarity. Subscribe for more accounting basics.